Welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today we're diving into Kia's latest innovation for families and road trip lovers, the 2026 Kia Carnival. Let's get started. Picture this, a minivan that doesn't look like your typical people mover. Kia's design team gave Carnival an SUV-inspired makeover, from a bold, tighter nose, grille and sharp LED lighting to a sportier silhouette and sculpted bodywork. It looks sleek, modern, and confidently on-trend. Step inside and you're greeted with luxury. A dual 12.3-inch display spans the dash, seamlessly combining digital instruments and infotainment. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates are standard. Tech doesn't stop there. Up to 9 USB-C ports, wireless charging, and even household-style inverters keep everyone connected and charged. Ride quality and comfort pull ahead with VIP lounge seats on the SX Prestige trim. Think heated and ventilated captain's chairs that recline, footrests, ambient lighting, and a one-touch relaxation feature, a true limousine experience for passengers. For rear seat entertainment, a dual-screen system keeps passengers occupied on long drives. Under the hood, you've got two solid powertrain options. The standard setup is a 3.5-liter V6 engine making around 287 to 290 HP and 260 to 262 lb featuring of torque, paired with an 8-speed auto. That V6 delivers about 22 mpg combined, or roughly 18 city and 26 highway, with a driving range close to 400 miles. For greener credentials, the hybrid pairs a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder with an electric motor, producing roughly 242 horsepower and 271 pound-feet. With a 6-speed automatic, it earns around 33 to 34 mpg combined and can stretch nearly 627 miles on a tank. While reviewers note the hybrid's performance is adequate, it's not sporty, and the gas V6 is actually recommended for most buyers. Cargo and space are where Carnival shines. With third row up, you get over 40 cubic feet. Folding everything flat opens up more than 145 cubic feet of space. In metric, that's up to 2,827 liters when all seats fold. Clever under-seat storage and tie-down points show Kia always thinks practically. Safety and driver assist tech come loaded. Every model includes forward collision avoidance with cyclist junction detection, lane keeping, blind spot and rear cross traffic assist, adaptive cruise, smart cruise with stop and go, and even highway driving assist 2 on higher trims. Available surround view cameras, blind spot view monitors, safe exit assist, and parking collision assist round out the suite. Comfort extends beyond seats. Tri-zone climate, premium Bose audio on top trims, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, digital rear view mirror, and optional X-line or dark additions with rugged styling cues. Pricing starts around $36,990 for the base LX V6, with the hybrid beginning near $40,990. Fully loaded SX Prestige tops out near $53,090. With Kia's market competitiveness, expect dealers to offer attractive pricing. In summary, Carnival is more than a people mover, it's a lifestyle vehicle that blends SUV looks, luxury features, advanced tech, and genuine practicality. Whether you go V6 or hybrid, this minivan delivers value, style, and versatility. That wraps up our look at the 2026 Kia Carnival here on the Dream Cars. Share your thoughts below. Do you prefer gas or hybrid? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep up with more dream rides. Safe travels, and we'll catch you next time.